Hello, I'm Amber Rain Davis. I am an Altenew educator, and I'd like to share a little about my journey through the program. This program is self-paced, it's online, and it was easy to fit into my schedule. It's great for new and experienced card makers. I joined the program when I had been making cards on and off for about 1.5 years. And I joined because I was really becoming passionate about card making, and I wanted to improve my craftsmanship and gain more knowledge. Through the lessons and encouraging feedback from Virginia and other participants, the program really pushed me to hone my skills and try new things. Before I started the program, I had a blog, but I really wasn't using it much. So I started blogging more, I started posting on social media more often, and I was encouraged to start a YouTube channel. I had never created a video before in my life, and I fell in love with teaching through video. Becoming a part of the online educator community has been amazing as well. We have a forum where we're able to bounce ideas off of each other and share best practice. I really have done so many new things since becoming an educator. I started regularly teaching Altenew workshops at our local stamp shop. I taught a make and take at Creativation 2019. I developed an Altenew Academy class and Tango for card makers, and I'm helping out with some of the Altenew product videos. I can't thank Virginia, Nicole, and Altenew enough for creating such an amazing program that has invited me into this wonderful crafting community. I would recommend this program to anyone.